Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing, safe, wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for giving lots of love to the channel. This is your twin flame reading and your soulmate reading for February 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating and leave the rest. Okay, so let's see what are the messages. Okay, a very happy birthday to all my Aquarius who are having birthday. You can let me know in the comment section so that I can wish you personally too. So let's see what are the messages for my Aquarius twin flame journey. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages for Aquarius twin flame journey February 2021. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. Let me see. I'm going to take 5 cards from this deck. A change in the wind. Okay, a change in the wind. What are the messages for Aquarius? To be fair. To be fair. Come to the edge. That means you have to take a leap of faith, Aquarius. Some kind of justice is being served in the case, in your case, okay? And I told you that I'm going to take 5 cards, but I got 6 cards. Okay, the fates. So it was written in your fates. Okay, you just need to take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. It is written in your favor. In your favor. Why I am saying that? Because there is a positive change which is happening for you. There is a justice which is going to happen in your case. This is a karmic justice which is going to happen for you, Aquarius, in your life. There is a positive change in the wind which is happening for you. There is a message in a bottle and there is soulmates. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you so much for giving the message. So you will receive a message, okay, from your soulmates, and you both are soulmates to each other. Hey, can you see here? I'm having soulmates card here. So you both belong to each other. You are the soulmates and you will receive a message in a bottle. Can you see there is a phone here? So you will receive a phone call from your soulmate, and there is a stock. This is a stock. This is a new beginning. This is a good news, a good message, a good news from your soulmate you are going to receive. Okay, let me know in the comment section, Aquarius, what message you receive from your soulmate. And it was written in your fates, in your destiny. Okay, you both belong to each other. This was written in your destiny. You just need to take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. Beautiful messages. Let's add some more message from the Psychic Tarot deck. Emperor. From your divine masculine, okay, from your twin flame, from your divine feminine, okay, gender is not specific here, but you will receive the message. Harmony is coming for you, Aquarius, okay. You will receive the message from your partner. Destiny. See, again the destiny card is here, the world card is here. It is written in your destiny, it is written in your fates. So let's see what are the messages for Aquarius twin flame reading. Let's see 5 cards from this deck. What are the messages? Spiritual strength. You're getting more spiritual strength. There is love begins. Okay. Beautiful. And there is fertility. This is Empress. This is you. So lot of green energy is here. Bottom of the deck, I'm having waiting game. So this is the waiting game which is happening right now, but the waiting game is going to get end soon. Okay. There is a spiritual strength which is happening for you. You have to stand your ground. Okay, stand your ground. Maybe you are, your guards are up right now. You are becoming, you are, protecting your energy. You are very self guarded. You are self defenses. You are, in a self defensive mode right now. There is a spiritual strength which is happening for you. There is a prosperity, beautiful prosperity which is going to begin. There is light which is coming for you. Okay, light is there. Aquarius, positive movement forward. See, you just need to move in a forward direction. You need to keep patience right now. Keep your patience with you. Any other message for Aquarius twin flame reading which I need to deliver? Love is going to begin for you, Aquarius. Okay, you need to stand your ground. Maybe you are standing your ground, your defenses are high. That's why they are asking me to take a leap of faith. You just need to take a leap of faith. Any other message? No. See, you becoming more wisdom than before. There is truth which is coming for you. Okay, so yeah, let's add some messages from, thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Wow, wow, I just cut it and there is yin and yang. Aquarius, Aquarius. Okay. Beautiful message are there for you today. You have to take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. This was written in your fates. Okay, you will receive a message, a phone, a call. So there is distorted masculine and resolving conflicts. Okay, so your masculine was distorted. That means they were unawakened. Okay, they don't know that they are the divine masculine, but now they are resolving the conflicts. Okay, they are coming to resolve the conflicts. Basically, they are coming towards you to resolve the conflicts. They are, they were unaware. Okay, they were unaware that they are the divine masculine. See, spiritual maturity, sexuality. Can you see? Spiritual strength and spiritual. You both are getting spiritual strength and spiritual maturity. Okay, spiritual strength and spiritual maturity is here. So now you both are becoming more aware that, than before. They are getting to know, you are getting to know. The sexuality card is here. Let me read it out for you. The natural rhythm of sexuality are sadly misunderstood in our modern culture. All often we see that a personal natural sexuality is glamorized and exaggerated in order to lure an attractive partner. As a result, many people become entangled in relationships that have little more substance than sexual attraction. If there is no real connection between the two, then sense of obligation, a fear of losing what there is, but maybe all that keeps them together. This situation is simply not good enough. Whether you are manifesting a partner or already with someone, you have drawn this card today because it's up to you to heed this call from your heart, body, and soul to give your sexuality respect and attention it deserves. Okay, in an existing relationship, you are required to listen your natural rhythm once more instead of allowing your routine to dictate your life. Take a second honeymoon and start afresh. Make time to connect in the mornings and afternoon rather than after a long busy day. So you both have to connect to each other. That's your life. I'm no one to say that. But they want to resolve conflict. Can you see how this man is standing, is sitting here in the dark, and the girl, and the both hearts are connected to each other, and that's twin flame. Okay, you both are connected to each other because you both are one only. Okay, you are the one soul. So they want, and they are because they were unaware. Basically, your divine masculine was the distorted masculine. They don't know that they are the divine masculine. They are in a twin flame journey. They were unaware of that, Aquarius. Okay, so now you are both getting spiritual strength and you are getting spiritual maturity. So now it's time for you to enjoy your bliss, basically. Okay, prosperity begins, love begins. Any other message for Aquarius twin flame reading which are important to deliver? See, inner peace, worthiness. So now you have to understand your worthiness too. Okay, Aquarius, you are worthy of everything. You have to understand your worthiness. Then there is inner peace. So inner peace is coming for you. Learn your inner peace. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's add some message. What are the messages for Aquarius? It just fell out. So inner peace is coming for you. Whatever is there, your masculine was, unaware that they are in a twin flame journey, but now they are getting aware. You will receive beautiful messages from them, Aquarius. Okay, then there is spiritual maturity. There is, they're getting awakened. Prosperity is coming for you. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius twin flame reading. Give me the messages which I need to deliver. Wow, beautiful. See, I told you they are going to they want to come. Okay, so a commitment is here. Let's get together forever in this 3D too. So your twin flame, maybe you will receive this message of commitment. Okay, a message in a bottle. Divine masculine or the divine feminine, anyone can that say that. Okay, gender is not specific, but there is a message in the bottle, and there is a message of commitment. They want to say you that 1313 was the recording reading time. They want to say you ki let's get together forever in this 3D world too. Beautiful message, and that was written in your destiny. Okay, that's why there is faith cards. There is metaphors. You are in a process of transformation, right? Either Aquarius, you are in a process of transformation, or your twin flame or soulmate is in process of transformation. Then there is life purpose. You are here for a reason. Okay, work on your life purpose. You are here for a reason. You need to work on your life purpose. The more you work on your life purpose, the more you work on your soul purpose. You are working. Okay, you are going to manifest. You are going to get reunion with your divine counterpart more. Okay, right now you need to keep your patience here. Relax and let go. Okay, relax and let go. So there are two different messages which I'm getting for Aquarius. There are two sections, there are two groups which, so for one group there is that the commitment is coming for you, and there is one message for particular here, that's there is, it's time to release and heal your pain. Aquarius, pain is here, it's time to release and heal your pain. Okay, you need to release and heal your pain. You need to relax and let go. Allow stillness to help you out. Okay, Aquarius, you need to release this pain and release and heal yourself. Relax and let go. Then there is your twin flame is not ready, but you can help them make awaken. Okay, so this is for those Aquarius whose masculine is not awakened yet, distorted masculine is here. So that's why this message is for those Aquarius whose masculine is not awakened yet. Okay, and this is for divine feminine. You are the divine feminine. See, again divine feminine is here. Nothing can resist her magnetizing nature. Empress, fertility here, the empress and the divine feminine is here. Right now you need to keep your patient, Aquarius. This situation requires more time. Okay, so this is the message from this deck too. You are rising as divine feminines, you are getting transformation. Okay, you are rising as an empress, but right now you just need to relax and let go anything if you are holding on. And for some of you, you're going to receive your commitment from your divine masculine. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful message for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. So lovely Aquarius, very beautiful messages for you in today's reading. I love it. Yeah, so let's add some message of one card from your soul lesson. Let's see what is the soul lesson which you need to learn. Peace. I am a being of love and I release all negative energy. That's the soul lesson which you need to learn. That you need to release any negative energy which is there inside of you. Peace. Beautiful message. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful message. Let's add some message from the power of love. What is the message for my lovely Aquarius? Please give me the message. Responsibility. You are aware of the power of your thoughts and the amount of love you express. So you have to take the responsibility because you are aware of it. Okay, you are aware of the power of your thoughts and the amount of love you express. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful message to my lovely Aquarius. Let's add one card from power of surrender. What you need to surrender, let's see that. What is the message for Aquarius? Okay. Surrender to the beauty of natural world. Take a relaxing break and spend some time in nature. Replenish yourself by feeling the beauty and ecstasy there. So you can surrender yourself to the nature, spend some time with the nature, okay, so that you can relax, Aquarius. You can surrender to the beauty of the natural world. Okay, so that is the message from this deck. Beautiful message. I love it. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful message. Let's add two cards of life purpose. What is the life purpose you are having in this life journey? Okay, let's see what is the life purpose of the Aquarius is having. It's time to decide. Okay, one more. What is the life purpose Aquarius is having in this life journey? Give me one more. Okay. So some of you are the environmentalist. You are an earth angel who was born to protect, nurture and teach about nature and the animals. So you can be an environmentalist. Okay, Aquarius. You are an earth angel who is having a life purpose, who are here on planet earth to, to make people understand that how to protect and nurture and teach about the nature and the animals. Okay, you are born here as an earth angel. That can be a life purpose of you, and this is the time to decide. Make a decision based on your heart's true desire, Aquarius. So this is the time which you have to make beautiful messages. Thank you so much for giving the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius. Let's add some messages from Divine Energy Oracle deck. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius twin flame reading. What are the messages? Okay, two more. Choose your friends wisely, Aquarius. Okay, you need to choose your friends wisely. Become a clear channel. You have to become a clear channel to the universe and to the divine about what you want, so that they can give you that back. Do not send mixed signals to the universe. Live your soul, not a role. You have to live your soul, and you do not have to live a role according to the, according to anyone else. Okay, so live your soul. You are the free spirit. Live according what your soul wants to live. You need to begin to explore. Make a plan. You need to make a plan right now. Okay, then there is reassess, and there is begin to explore. So you need to make a plan, reassess, and begin to explore. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's add some messages from angels answers. Let's see what they want to say to my lovely Aquarius. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius twin flame journey? Okay, so within few next weeks, meditation brings answer, Aquarius. Okay, you need to do your meditation. The more you do meditation, the answers you will become. Okay, see, in both of the pictures, compromise and to be fair, there is a Libra energy, the justice energy, a balance energy, compromise and to be fair. So you have to be fair. You want to be fair, that you want equal amount of give and take, and there will be a compromise from both of the sides. Okay, there will be a balance in your situation within few weeks. Okay, this is the within the next few weeks, the compromise is here and you are ready. Okay, maybe within the few next weeks you are ready, Aquarius. Okay, so you need to work more. The more you do meditation, you will get your answers, and you are ready within the next few weeks. Thank you so much. Let me know in the comment section if you receive a message from your soul mate here. Beautiful message, Aquarius. You need to take a leap of faith. There is a change in the wind. That this is a positive change in a wind. Okay, thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's add some message from the twin flame oracle. See, healthy sexuality is here again. So you have to maintain the physical flow of love with your twin flame, with your soulmate, because here also I was getting the message of sexuality. Okay, and this is your personal life, but yes, I know that you have to maintain the healthy sexuality between you and your twin flame. So let's see what are the messages for Aquarius twin flame reading. Give me the messages which I need to deliver. Please help me out to deliver the messages which are important. Let me see more. Any other message for Aquarius twin flame reading? Give me the message if there is any other message. Too many messages. Okay, that's enough. Okay, so twin flame, higher self, remember me, eternal love. Okay, you have to remember that you both belong to each other. And why I'm saying that, maybe you and your twin flame are in separation right now. Okay, you are into separation, but do not worry, you both can never be apart from each other. Okay, you are never truly apart from each other. And whatever right now is happening, love believes, is because limitation and underlying blocks that are creating problems in your, okay, in your reunion. But this is going to solve very soon. Okay, you just need to follow this. You can invite in your twin flame, your free will method to draw them forth. Okay, so just write it down on a paper that I am inviting my twin flame in my life. You can write it down, and it is the best way to manifest something, anything in your life. Okay, then there is collective energies and lessons, reacting to outside influences. So maybe you are reacting to the energies of the moon, of the earth, of the anything collective energies, and there is a lessons of which you need to learn. Okay, maybe some of you are having a thought chakra blockage here. Okay, intuitive, highly sensitive, listen to your subtitles, system subtitles messages. See, I told you just that maybe you are having a thought chakra blockage, because I was not having any issue in my thought, but right now I just feeling like as like to do like this. Okay, while doing your reading. So yes, there you have to listen your intuitive, highly sensitive messages. You just need to listen to them. Beautiful messages, thank you so much. Let's add some message from this deck. What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame reading for February 2021? Please give me the messages. Great fortune is coming for you. Wow. Bottom of the deck, I'm having mean male, divine masculine, your twin flame. Beautiful. What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame reading? A message. You will receive a message, Aquarius. Message is here again. Okay. Can you see? A message in a bottle, a message. So you will receive a message from your twin flame for sure. Okay, I'm getting two cards here from different decks that you are going to receive a message. So you will receive a message from your twin flame, from your soulmate. Okay, let's see what are the messages for Aquarius twin flame. Death card is there, so something is ending so that you can begin. Death and rebirth is happening. Bottom of the deck, I'm having main female. So in your life, Aquarius, if you are main female, divine female, okay, so things are going to end. Whatever situations are happening, that is going to end, and new beginnings are coming for you. Okay, wow, beautiful. Your pathway is uplifted here. Okay, that's why beautiful things are coming your way. Okay, your pathway is uplifted. Okay, you are uplifted, your journey is uplifted here. All things are going to end here, and new beginnings are coming for you. Change and courtship. So see, new beginning of your life is happening, and there is a change which is coming for you. Okay, change is coming for you, and there is a new relationship which is going to happen. There is a courtship is here. That means that you need to take care, spend some more time with your divine masculine. Okay, with your twin flames, get to know more to each other. A new relationship is going to start. A new chapter of you both is going to start with each other. So you both have to take care of yourself, spend some more time with each other. Let's see what are the messages from your twin flame. Please help me out to deliver the messages. Let's add 5 messages from your twin flame. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius twin flame reading. Give me the 5 cards, 5 messages from their twin flame. Sometimes I wonder if saying I am sorry is enough. The twin flame wants to say that sometimes they think that I am sorry, saying I am sorry is enough or not. What are the messages? You inspire me. Okay, you inspire me, Aquarius. They want to say you always give me a shoulder to cry on. I want to talk to you but don't know what to say. So your twin flame wants to say you that they want to talk to you but they don't know what to say to you, Aquarius. Okay, they are confused because they're saying that they know that they have done, they don't know what to say, and sometimes they think that saying sorry is enough or not, and they want to tell you that we will be together again. Beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. So this was your reading for twin flame. Okay, this was your twin flame reading for February 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. So take care of yourself. If you like my video, you can like, share and subscribe to the channel. Sending you lots of love and light to all my beautiful magical being Aquarius. Take care of yourself, okay, and see you soon.